I'm going to teach you some new techniques today to get this halo eye makeup look. Start by grabbing a medium tone matte eyeshadow, sweep it across the crease, and bring it along the lower lash line. Grabbing a slightly darker shade, you want to fill in the inner and the outer V's of your eye as well as the lower lash line. To draw attention to the center of the lid, I applied a bronzy tone. Notice that I flipped my brush and I'm using the clean side to blend the edges. Dip your brush into some water and apply a really light gold shade to the center. This will make the eyes look wet and dewy. And continue adding depth into the corners of the eyes, and that's what's going to give that really 3D effect. See any harsh lines, just go ahead and reblend them. I'm using the outer V shade and just the area above it using the crease shade. This is going to give you a really natural gradient effect. I like to complete my look with a little liquid liner right at the lash line, brown eyeliner in the waterline, and a pair of false lashes.